We Punjabis may not have coastal areas, but Punjab is a land of 5 rivers, and we Punjabis love boasting about our fish recipes. And there is one century-old gem from the streets of Punjab known as Amritsari fish tikka. So chuck the phate and let's start cooking. I'm using basa, but you can also use sole. To begin, we'll first cut the head and also remove the tail. I'm going to cut it into 2 parts. And now we'll remove the edges to get a perfect square for the tikka. This trimming can be used for making stock. And now we'll cut the perfect cubes. Now we'll start with the first stage of the marination. First we'll add the salt. Salt will give nice firmness and stability to the fish while cooking. Nicely massage the fish. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Mustard oil is really important because it will give nice sharpness to the fish. Next, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon lemon juice. With that, I'm going to add cumin powder. Next, I'm going to add kasuri methi. I'm going to crush it with my hand. After that, I'm going to add ajwain. And to add magic to the marination, a pinch of hing. Now let's mix together nicely. The combination of hing and ajwain will give a lot of flavor to the fish. My first stage of marination is done. Now I'm going to let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Now we'll start off with the second stage of the marination. First, I'm going to add turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. To add crispiness to the fish, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. For binding, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of besan. And last, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. I'm going to mix this all together. If you're cooking the fish later, then add malt vinegar instead of curd. The fish marination is done. Now we'll start putting the fish on the skewer. To begin with, first I'm going to add fish cube in the skewer, followed by 1 lemon slice. Again, another fish cube, followed by another lemon slice, and do the same. And do the same for the rest. All my skewers are done. Now we'll start the grilling. The pan has heated up. Now I'm going to add mustard oil. And with that, I'm going to start putting my skewers. I'm going to cook the fish for 5 minutes on one side and then flip it. I will keep flipping the fish so that the fish get cooked from all sides. Now we'll do the basting of the fish to keep the fish moist and tender. My Amritsari fish tikka is now ready. Let's start with the plating. Finally finish it with chaat masala and freshly chopped coriander. And our Amritsari fish tikka is now ready. Now you know why this dish is such a rage. If you want to have that Punjabi wali feeling, then do try making this dish at home and do let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and keep cooking.